Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a modded version of NFL Rivals on your phone. No jailbreak or computer needed, guys. This actually works. It is super cool. So if you like to play NFL Rivals, it's time to get a modded version, guys, that actually works on your phone, guys. So this is super crazy. I can't even believe it, guys. So definitely go ahead, try it out. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device right now. So just keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. It is super crazy, guys. So I'm going to show you to get rich in NFL Rivals. So as you can see, I have a ton of resources. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So what you want to do, guys, is go to Google and we're just going to go over to this website called ZooMods. And once you're on this site, guys, we're just going to go ahead and find NFL Rivals. So let me just do that right here. And as you can see, guys, it says NFL Rivals mod. So then you just press on it and it's going to download. So it's super insane. I am not even sure how they were able to do this, but it actually works, guys. So it is super cool. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. As you can see, guys, I am loaded. I have over 800,000 money. So yeah, it's super cool, guys, and it actually works. And let's go over to the App Store and I will show you guys how bad this is. Look, let me show you right here. If we go to the App Store and type in NFL Rivals, as you guys can see right here, let's go down to the purchases thing. And as you can see, guys, look at this. Whoa, they have something that costs $34.99. Bro, you cannot get involved with this, guys. You have to get it for free. So all you have to do, guys, is just come to your browser, go to Google, and then just go to the search bar and just go ahead and type in ZooMods. So let me just do that right here. And once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in NFL Rivals. And there it is. NFL Rivals mod. So that's all you gotta do, guys. It's super crazy. I can't even believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So definitely go ahead, try this out. I'm gonna see you guys in a future video, and peace out.